guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and be part of the family. If you're returning, welcome back and thank you. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a turmeric mask. Like, a turmeric mask is one of those masks that you need to at least do once a week or bi-weekly, because it has a lot of skincare benefits and have this kind of glow. And I'm going to show you right now. So before then, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video for the algorithm, and I would appreciate so much. So let's get started. When I was growing up, I had aunties, sisters using turmeric mask, and we use it all around, you know, the kitchen and stuff. So it's an ingredient, or it's a spice that I've grown up knowing a lot, so I use it a lot.
So you will need a turmeric powder. This one I got from an Indian store, but you can buy it from your local store or grocery store. And I like it because I use it even for my curries and soups. It's just amazing. Next we will need yogurt, and I'm using full fat yogurt because my skin is on the dry side this time of the winter, so full fat for me is great. The next thing we will need is this honey, and you can have any honey you would like. The next is rice flour. So I just did this rice flour here at home, and I'm going to show you how to using my dry blender, and it's just amazing. And you will need a brush. So this brush used to be my old makeup brush, and now I use it only for my mask. Now you will need also a bowl, a clean bowl to mix your ingredients, a teaspoon obviously to measure your ingredients. So as you can see, if you don't have like rice flour, or if you can't get access to rice flour, you can actually blend it at home easy. And I'm using just a little, like 100 grams of rice or 50 grams of rice, I think, to just blend it and make sure that it comes into a nice powder. So this blender, I got it from Amazon, and it's I think 39 euros, and it's just amazing. It does dry foods, and it also does normal like juicing and blending stuff. So I'll leave a link down below. If you're interested, you can have it on Amazon, because it really comes in handy at home. So the most exciting part is here, and we're going to mix our ingredients together. I like the mixing. It's a bit messy, and that's why you see I put the paper plate so that it doesn't mess up the kitchen counter. So just make sure you take care, because it's highly stainable. Like, it stains, and if you don't clean it in time, it can leave like permanent stains. So just make sure of that. And also we're going to add a teaspoon of the turmeric, a teaspoon of the rice flour, and now we're going to add yogurt. Now the measurements will depend on how much you want to apply, like the part of the body. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of yogurt, and then I will add my honey, and I'm going to use this yogurt to make a curry after. So really there's no problem, because I use the same teaspoon to scoop the teaspoon, so it has obviously the turmeric. So I'm using also a smaller teaspoon for the honey, so that we can lock in all the moisture, and our skin is going to glow. Who doesn't like a glowy skin? Like, honey is just an amazing ingredient, and it helps really so much. It has a lot of benefits. So we're going to mix. I like to mix. And guys, if you have nails, like, try and make sure that you wear maybe gloves or something. I'm going to fix my nails tomorrow, so really I don't mind. So yeah, you need a thick paste like this that is going to, you know, sit and not like smudge on the face. So I like to make it like medium thick like this, if you can see, and voila.
So you're going to need something like this. So this is like a turban for the bathroom, so that you just avoid your hairline to become yellow. It's messy, but it's worth it. So you're gonna need something, even just a normal turban, a head wrap, something. So this goes right at the back. Like light strokes, because it's really yellow. So the flour helps it to be a bit more thick, and also, as you all know, that rice flour is so good for the skin. So I forgot to remove my necklace, so I'm going to do it right now, because I want to apply like over here and also at the neck area. I like having golden milk at night before I sleep, because it gives me, I sleep better. If you have sleep issues, turmeric milk can help you, or they call it also golden milk. So like back in the day, I used to see ladies like in the coastal part. I come from Kenya, so in the coastal part you'd find ladies before they get married, they would have this or sandalwood or a mix of the two, I think, and they would just glow. Like during the wedding, they would like, I'll see if I can find a photo of those Swahili weddings. We call them Swahili weddings, and most of them are like Muslim weddings. So there's a dozen of amazing benefits in many ways, and one of it, I love it because it helps my skin to have a kind of a radiant glow, after that, because sometimes you're tired, sometimes it's the times of the season. Like now we're in winter, it's January 11th, and it's actually sunny, but in the morning it's a bit cold. So you see the change of temperature, and the change, it really affects our bodies, and also it shows from our skin. So like myself, I get like so much dry skin. Like my skin becomes so dry around the winter time, and what helps me a lot is turmeric mask, and I try at least once a week to have a turmeric mask. Also, it helps in brightening, natural brightener for the skin. It really is. You can see from its color, it has like, the yellowish color. It leaves that and gives you a really nice glow, and yeah, and also helps with the acne scars. If you have acne scars that are really stubborn and stuff. The other day I was talking to a friend of mine, and she was telling me, you know what, the turmeric mask has really helped me to get rid of some of the scars and some of the acne. She has acne prone skin, so she's been using a lot of this turmeric mask, and it has really helped her to to reduce the acne. And also it really helps with the dark circles down here, and if you have tired skin, if you're always using the computer and all that, you have under eyes that are really dark and puffy, you can use turmeric mask to help you to boost that and reduce also the dark circles under the eyes. It also has anti-aging benefits, which is who doesn't like to just look and feel young. Like over here, obviously, as the years go by, I personally have, like, you know, when you smile you have those smile lines, and it reduces that, you know, and it tightens the skin. So guys, look at that. Dry. It's all dry. So now I'm going to wash and I'll come back here with the glow. Hi guys, so I've just cleaned my face and this is how it looks, guys. It looks so good. I mean, it's radiant, it's clean. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, that's the glow about, that's a good thing about turmeric mask. It's really good, it works wonders. Like, look at that. The skin is so clean. Did you see the under eyes? Super clean. You know, like here I was having like dark circles, but that has reduced a lot, so that's a plus. And I'm loving my earrings, guys. What do you think? Let me show you how they are. So this is how these earrings are. They're like small hooks. Okay, oops. So this is how they come. Like that. Yep. Then you just hook it in like this, and you are good to go. I got this from Accessorize, so I'm going to leave a link down below if you're interested, and I have a 25% off, so you can enjoy that discount code. I love it. So we have come to the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in my next one. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you like this kind of content, stick around for more future videos. I'll see you in my next one. Love you so much.